Maryam. The Broken Vase.
Today, Yusuf and Maryam are playing together in the living room.
Catch, Maryam. Got it, Yusuf. Oh no, the vase broke.
Oh no! Yusuf, it's your fault! You threw the ball!
No, it's your fault, Maryam. You didn't catch it.
Yusuf and Maryam are upset and don't know what to do. Their mother walks into the room after hearing the commotion.
What happened here, Yusuf and Maryam?
It's
It's
his
her
fault!
Let's not blame each other. What does Allah say about being honest and taking responsibility?
But
We should tell the truth.
Yes, Allah loves those who are truthful. Remember, Allah says in the Quran, Surah 49, Ayah 9, "Indeed, Allah loves those who act justly." So, what really happened?
I threw the ball, but we both were playing.
Yes, and I didn't catch it.
I'm glad you both told the truth. Now, let's clean up together.
Yusuf and Maryam nod and start helping their mother clean up the broken vase. They learned that it's important to be honest and take responsibility, and even though the vase broke, they felt better by telling the truth. Being truthful and fair is what Allah loves, and it also is what Yusuf and Maryam love too.
Yusuf and Maryam!
Yusuf and Maryam.